Again, the Labor Department has announced an 85 peso daily increase for minimum wage earners in Metro Manila. This is to benefit an estimated 1.1 million workers. Micah Razon is on the line for the details. Micah, go ahead.
The additional 85 peso wage increase for minimum wage earners in Metro Manila is now set to take effect. Under Wage Order number NCR 27, the 85 peso increase is the highest wage hike recorded in Metro Manila, compared with the 50 peso increase granted last year. However, workers will not receive the entire amount at once. The first tranche of 60 pesos will take effect on July 19, while the remaining 25 pesos will be implemented on January 20 next year, giving employers sufficient time to adjust. In total, the wage increase is expected to provide minimum wage earners with an additional 1,892 pesos in monthly earnings. As a result, the daily minimum wage in Metro Manila will increase from 695 pesos to 780 pesos. Meanwhile, under Republic Act number 9178, employers registered as Barangay Micro Business Enterprises or BMBEs are exempt from the mandatory wage increase. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, what about those earning above minimum wage? Is there an expected increase as well?
Yes, Mai. Nabanggit kanina ni Executive Director National Wages Productivity Commission na si Crisaldo C. na kasama sa consultation sa Employers Group ang issue na iyan. Kaya naman sa National Wages Productivity Commission o NWPC Advisory Number 1 Series of 2023 ay makikita ang gabay sa pag-adjust ng sahod based sa corrective measures na naibigay ng NWPC. So, yes, may ma-adjust ang sahod pero depende pa iyan sa employers, discretions ng mga employers. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you, Micah Razon reporting.